This is the Lockdown from Gerber. If it takes up space in your pocket, it better do more than cut. The Lockdown has the ideal EDC formula: low profile, modern aesthetics, and solution-driven tools. It starts with a 2.5-inch plain edge blade with liner lock. You also get a replaceable number 11 utility blade and a file with a chisel edge. The Lockdown is offered in 2 different tool packs: drive and pry. The Lockdown drive includes a driver with a double-sided 1/4-inch bit and an awl. The Lockdown pry features a multifunctional cast pry bar with a bottle opener, large and small flathead drivers, and a nail puller. You also get a spring-loaded scissor. Whatever comes up on the trail or in town, you're a pocket away from solving it with the Lockdown.